How to make money on Amazon. Disclaimer: this video uses affiliate links. Welcome future Amazon mogul. This course is your fast track to making money on Amazon, the fun way. Whether you're looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, fund your next vacation, or just earn some extra cash, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Amazon income streams. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about Amazon FBA. That's Fulfillment by Amazon. Think of it as Amazon's version of Set It and Forget It. You send your products to Amazon's warehouses, and they handle storage, shipping, and customer service. It's like having your own team of elves working around the clock. Here's how it works. Find a product. Use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to research trending products. Source it. Platforms like Alibaba can help you find manufacturers. Ship to Amazon. Send your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Start selling. Amazon lists your product, and when someone buys, they handle the rest. With FBA, you can focus on growing your business while Amazon handles the logistics. It's a win-win. Love hunting for deals? Retail arbitrage might be your calling. Here's the game plan. Visit local stores like Walmart or Target. Use the Amazon Seller app to scan clearance items. Find products selling for more on Amazon. Buy low, sell high, and pocket the difference. It's like treasure hunting, but the treasure is profit. Got away with words? Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, lets you publish ebooks and paperbacks for free. Whether it's a novel, a how-to guide, or a journal, you can write your content, format it using Amazon's tools, publish and sell on Amazon's global marketplaces, earn up to 70% royalties, and share your story with the world. Even if you don't have products to sell, you can still earn with Amazon Associates. Here's how. Sign up for the affiliate program. Share Amazon product links on your blog, YouTube, or social media. Earn commissions when people buy through your links. It's a great way to monetize your content and recommend products you love. Got a strong social media presence? The Amazon Influencer Program is for you. Create your own Amazon storefront, showcase your favorite products, and earn commissions on sales. It's perfect for Instagrammers, YouTubers, TikTok creators. Turn your influence into income. Looking for quick gigs? Amazon's Mechanical Turk platform offers micro-tasks like data entry, surveys, content moderation. While each task pays a small amount, they add up. It's flexible, and you can work from anywhere. Before we wrap up, here are some golden tips. Research. Use tools to find profitable niches. Quality. Offer high-quality products and content. SEO. Optimize your listings with relevant keywords. Customer service. Provide excellent support to build trust. Stay updated. Amazon's platform evolves, so keep learning. Success on Amazon is a journey, but with persistence, the rewards are worth it. Thanks for joining me on this Amazon adventure. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Until next time, happy selling! One of the programs I use to help me track and manage my affiliate marketing program's progress and performance is TrackNow. Link will be in the description. They offer features for campaign management, affiliate tracking, fraud detection, offline tracking, and so much more. It can be easily tailored to meet your needs. Join TrackNow and start tracking your affiliate marketing progress and success. Tools, resources, Integration with other systems and platforms, and real-time support included built for beginners, side hustlers, social media content creators, and influencer campaigns.